Hey, it's Vass here from Aussie RC Playground, and today we're going to be speed testing the Tinko Rally Punisher. Car is 100% stock. We're going to be testing it on 4S first and then find out what it can do on 6S. Okay, first run. Now, unfortunately, the battery on the GPS is dead. I forgot to charge it, my bad. So we'll just have to rely on the radar gun. Here we go, Noah. First pass on 4S stock. Sorry? 72. That's hammering along very nicely. Thank you very much. All right, let's go one more time. Here we go, Noah. Sorry? 74. 74. Well, it's backing it up. It's backing it up. Thank you very much. Third and final pass before we switch out to 6S. Now, I have not tweaked suspension, I haven't changed gearing, I haven't done anything. I'm still running the stock radio. I've just put a battery in it and I've come out here to see what it can do. How much? 75. Oh, we keep getting faster, do we? 75. Maybe as that battery's warming up. 75. Hey, you know what? Let's do a fourth since we keep going quicker. And let's see where it stops. Hopefully we'll back it up with another 74 or 75. Here we go, Noah. Beat that car. $75 again. And there we have it. Bring it up here nice and slow. And there we go, 75 kilometers an hour on 4S, stock out of the box. Let's go 6S. All right, here we go. Now I have a sneaky suspicion that we're not going to be able to hit top speed with this. Ooh, good range. So far, still got range all the way out there. Here we go, Noah, first pass, or first attempt. Let's see what we can do. Nah. How much? 88. 88, yeah. It wants to lift. There's no way I'll get full speed out of this without modifying the suspension. 88, and I was at 3/4 throttle. This is a 60 mile an hour car out of the box, just like the Radix was. This will hit triple figures or very, very close to. But getting it to that speed is a totally different story. Here we go. I'm going to try it again, Noah. How much? 86, yeah. I can't squeeze that last little bit because I can feel the car wanting to flip on its roof. It wants to come up. 86, yeah. It's going to be hard. It's going to be tough. We may need to revisit this at a later date, but those tires have just got too much inertia. They're just trying to flip the car over. All right, last pass, Noah. Here we go. Whoa, stay away from the Merc. Sorry. There's a beautiful Merc parked right there, which I do not want to hit. Here we go, Noah. I can't. How much? 86, yeah. I can't go any faster. I can feel the car swaying all over the joint, and yeah, the front end just wants to come up. So this is capable of so much more. I am nowhere near full throttle. but I can't go any further because it'll just lift. This thing's just got way too much grunt. A different set of tires maybe? Yeah, you can see it's just wanting to lift. Different set of tires could be a different story. Oh, car. Yeah, this is going to be fun at the track, but this ain't made for top speed passes. So that's all we can get out of it for now. Maybe we'll revisit this and see what we can really get full speed, but if the buggy is anything to go by, this will hit triple figures, if not very close to, once you get the suspension tuned out, and you can keep the front end on the ground. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.